String indexing. Syntax for string indexing. String underscore variable inside square brackets index. For example, string underscore variable equal to like within double quotes. If we want to print L in like, we have to follow syntax as I said earlier, means index underscore value equal to string underscore variable within square brackets give 0. Now print index value. See, the output is L. Always remember index is starts from 0, not from 1. Let's see indices of like L is 0, I is 1, K is 2, E is. We can print index value using native index. Now guess what is the native index to print L? Let's see native indices. E is -1, K is -2, I is -3, L is -4. Remember, native index always start with -1 from right to left. Now, to print L using native index, index underscore value equal to string underscore variable within square brackets -4. Now print index value. See, the output is